Welcome back to the Phone Transformer. Today, I'll show you how to add full reel on Instagram Story. It's quick and easy. Now, let's get started. Method 1. Using the Add to Story option. Step 1. Open Instagram and find the reel you want to share. Make sure it's the one you really want your followers to see. Step 2. Tap the Share button, which is the arrow icon in the bottom right corner of the reel. Step 3. Select Add to Story from the bottom menu and it'll be ready to post. Step 4. Keep in mind that Instagram will only add a 10 to 15 second clip to your story, not the full reel. Method 2. Adding the full reel by downloading. Step 1. Open Instagram and find the reel you want to share, just like before. Step 2. Tap the Share button, the arrow icon in the bottom right corner. Step 3. This time, select the Download button, which looks like a downward arrow in the bottom menu. Step 4. Wait for the reel to download to your device. This ensures you have the full video. Step 5. Go back to the Instagram home screen and tap Your Story in the top left corner. Step 6. Select the downloaded reel from your gallery to add it to your story. Step 7. Customize your story with text or stickers if you want, then publish it for everyone to see. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.